simultaneous linear equations in two variables. In a previous video, we just come to know that what is the linear equation in one variable and linear equations in two variables. The general forms of linear equation in one variable is ax plus b is equal to 0, and linear equation in two variables, the general form is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, in this class, I am just going to explain simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Only thing new word is simultaneous, which means that two or more equations if they given at a time, that is said to be a simultaneous. For example, I will consider a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. I will call this equation number 1. And second equation a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Call this as the equation number 2. So combining it at a time, I am just taking two equations involving the two variables x and y. It is said to be a simultaneous linear equations in two variables. So you have already familiar that how to solve a linear equation in two variables, replacing the x value. For example, x value is some whatever the real number. Suppose 0 corresponding y value, x value is 1 corresponding y value. Like that, we just found out several values. In this case, they are given two equations simultaneously. I need to solve this one. So in this case, we are not supposed to do in that manner. Now here, to solve a simultaneous linear equations in two variables, there are particularly three methods are there. So what is the first method? A solution of the simultaneous linear equation by the elimination method. By substitution method, by cross multiplication method. These are the three methods to solve the simultaneous linear equation involving the two variables. Now, let us come to know that how to solve the simultaneous linear equations in a two variable by the method of elimination. Okay. So here, to discuss this method, I just take the one particular example. That particular is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. I just call this equation number 1, and another equation is x plus 2y is equal to 3, equation number 2. Now I am just going to solve these two equations by the method of elimination. Here a word itself telling that eliminate one of the variable. How to eliminate the one of the variable from these two equations, which means that make a coefficient of any one of the variable is same. Coefficient already know that coefficient in Kannada we just say that sahaguna ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು coefficient ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. Coefficient is ಇಲ್ಲಿ by equation number 1, equation number 2, x a1 b1 a2 b2, a1 a2 are the coefficients of x, b1 b2 are the coefficients of y, and c1 c2 are the constant. Now here what I just saying telling that eliminate the variable. How to eliminate the variable? Just make the coefficients are same. Either x coefficients are same or y coefficients are same. Observe that in equation number 1 the x coefficient is 7, and y coefficient is minus 15. In equation number 2, x coefficient is 1 and y coefficient is 2 is that. Make that this y coefficient minus 15 as a 2 or this 2 as a 15, or else make this as a 1 or make this as a 7. Here on observing this one, making the x coefficient from the equation number 2 is 7 is very easier. How it is easier means I just multiply throughout a 7. Multiplying throughout this equation by 7. Now I just continue the solution here. First equation that is 7 into this equation, or better to write here 7 into the equation number 2. Each and every term multiplied by 7. So what happens? 7 into x, 7 2s are 14y is equal to 7 3s are 21. Now solving the equation number 1 and 3. Now observe that x coefficient 7, here also x coefficient 7. Here leave it because I am just interested to eliminate one variable. Okay. Now I am just going to solving equation number 1 and equation number 3. I just rewrite equation number 1. 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, and the third equation 7x plus 14y is equal to 21. Solving these two equations means I just subtract, because here plus 7x, here also plus 7x. This equation minus of this equation. So subtraction means change the sign, because this quantity minus of this quantity, which means that suppose 2x plus 3 minus of 7x minus 3 in this manner is that. So minus into this bracket means minus into the whole, each and every term we have to multiply, or it's better write this one only, no problem. 7x minus 15y minus 7x plus 14y is that, which means that I need to multiply minus into these two terms. So here 7x that will cancel in this manner. I am just writing in this way. Okay, here plus 7x minus 7x will cancel. Here observe that. Now consider this sign. Don't take the plus sign. Minus 15y minus 14y. Both are having the same sign. Minus 15 plus 14, 29 into y is equal to 2 minus 21. It is a minus 19. Now we can cancel the minus. Y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Y is equal to 19 divided by 29. This is the required y value. Now we need to find the x value. How to find the x value? Replace this y value in any one of the equation, either in the equation number 2 or in equation number 1. So replacing the y value in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Here, before going to replace the y value in any one of the equation, just observe that which equation has a smaller number, better to replace in that equation, because of our easier calculation. Now I just replace the y value in equation number 2 because smaller numbers are there. So equation number 2 implies, what is the equation number 2 implies? X value, that one only we are going to find. 2 into y is 2 into, what is the y value? Y value is 19 divided by 29 is equal to 3 as it is. Now observe this equation. How many variables are there? There is only one variable, there is x, that will get the required x value. X is equal, or better to simplify, 2 into 19, 19 2s are 38 divided by 29 is equal to 3. Now 38 divided by 29, shifting into right hand side, x is equal to 3 minus 38 divided by 29. Now take a 29 is the LCM. 29 into 7, 87 minus 38. 87 minus 38 is 49 divided by 29. 49 divided by 29. This is the required x value. Here we just get the x and y value. I just continue here, x and y value. So corresponding x and the y values are, x value is 49 divided by 29 and y value is 19 divided by 29. So this is the required solution of these two linear equation involving the two variable by the method of elimination. And one more point, we just make sure that solution of linear equation involving the two variable is in geometrically. Already we just know that geometrically linear equation in two variable represents the lines. Here two lines are given. Why? Because simultaneous is the equation number 1 and equation number 2. Two lines are there. These two lines geometrically intersect. Equation number 1 and equation number 2. Not an exact diagram. I'm just roughly taking equation number 1. Suppose in this manner. Equation number 2. Suppose. So here a point of intersection is said to be a solution of the simultaneous linear equation. A point of geometrically point of intersection of the simultaneous point of intersection of the linear equation is a solution of the simultaneous linear equations. Now come to the second method by the substitution method. So the same example I just take because we just get the confirmation, because I just already mentioned that which has the only one solution. Now the substitution method equation is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2 and x plus 2y is equal to 3. I just call this equation number 1 and this is the equation number 2. Okay. Now solution by the method of substitution of simultaneous linear equation involving the two variables. A word itself telling that substitution. So substitution means substitute the one of the variable from any one of the equation into other equation. For example, if you take an x value from the equation number 1, substitute that in equation number 2. Suppose if you get the x value from the equation number 2, substitute that x value in equation number 1. Similarly, y. If you convert the y value from the equation number 1, substitute that into equation number 2. Or if you convert the y value from the equation number 2, substitute into equation number 1. Now, what I just do means, I just write the equation number 2 implies. What is the equation number 2 implies? X value. What is the x value from the equation number 2? 3 minus 2y. So replace this x value or put in a equation number 1. We have what will get? Wherever x is there, replace this 3 minus 2y. 7 into 3 minus 2y minus 15y is equal to 2 as it is. 7 into this bracket. Now observe that this is a linear equation in one variable, because how many variables are there? Here only one variable is there. Why? Already in a first lecture we just solve this type of problem. Solve for y. We just pause the video and solve for y. We will get the confirmation. Or else here 7 3s are 21 minus 14y minus 15y is equal to 2. Minus 14y minus 15y is minus 29y is equal to 21 is shifted into right hand side. 2 minus 21 is minus 19. Now I just continue here. So here minus get cancelled. If you cancel the minus, then what will be the y value? Y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Y is equal to 19 divided by 29. You just observe that by the elimination method, what is the y value? 19 divided by 29. Yes. Now similarly, we have to get the x value. Put this y value. Put y value in a equation. Not an equation, in the x value. In a x value, what is that? X is equal to 3 minus 2 into y. Y is 19 divided by 29. Now simplify what? So 3 minus 19 2s are 38 divided by 29. 29 3s are 87 minus 38 divided by 29. 87 minus 38. 87 minus 38. What is the 49 divided by 29? So now let's observe that x value is 49 divided by 29. Y value is 19 divided by 29. Have you got the same answer as you before got by the method of elimination method? Yes, obviously. So finally we can conclude that simultaneous linear equation involving the two variables has the only one solution. That means geometrically, if the solution of the simultaneous linear equations in is nothing but a point of intersection. We just found out this point of intersection by the method of substitution. Here, whatever the method you can follow it. Either you can follow the elimination method or substitution method or cross multiplication method. In PUC syllabus, first year as well as second year, we need to solve the linear equation involving the two variables. So that I just explained both the method. Cross multiplication method is that here I am not going to discuss that cross multiplication method. We just remember either elimination method or substitution method.